Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations, back today with another video, and I have a 12-inch MDF round, and I see something in my paint, so let me grab a stick. Yeah, big lump. All right, so I have my white paint down. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol and water, and today I'm going to be using some Color Shift Blue Flash. I think that's what that's called. Yeah, Blue Flash. And that's by Folk Art. And I actually mixed, did I mix that with? Oh, I added a little white flash, I believe. No, did I? Yes. And then I have this pretty, I have to put a little water in here. This is, I'm a mess today, please. Okay, here we go. Liquitex Basics. Just that. I'm going to add a little water because it needs to get to the same consistency as the other paints. Okay. I think it's there. Yeah. Good. Okay. So I have those two, and I have some citrine by Jacquard and a little gold by Deco Art, 24 karat gold. So I'm just going to do something pretty simple today, just a little swipe, but we'll have fun with it. Something I've been wanting to try. This is still thick. All right. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask. I get back to you pretty quickly. All right, so I'm going to start putting my paints down, play some music, and go from there. All right, so I love this. I think it is simple, very aquatic. I really, really like it. I might have to practice more with just this simple design. Let me know what you think. Give me a shout if you have any questions. Just make sure that all your sides, because this, I should have probably, these are different MDFs, and I probably should have primed it, but I was anxious to get into them, so I might have to touch the edges up afterwards, but that's okay. Maybe I'll do the sides gold and then resin it. Really happy with this. Really, really happy with this. All right, have a great one. See you all very soon. Bye-bye.